Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best portable police scanners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Uniden BC365CRS 500-channel scanner. This is a 500-channel scanner that also serves as an alarm clock, an AM/FM radio, an FM broadcast radio, and a weather alert device. It includes 500 channels in 10 banks, so you can search police and fire bands, as well as aircraft, amateur radio, and marine transmissions. It takes 3 AA batteries, and it includes an antenna and AC adapter in the package. This is designed as a tabletop scanner, so it's not the best option to take with you on the go. The reception will depend somewhat on your geographic area and the type of transmissions you're attempting to receive. Most users say they receive clear audio with police, fire, weather, and radio transmissions, but this is a basic, analog, non-trunking scanner, so it may not be able to pick up transmissions from some agencies. It's best to check the compatibility against the local agencies in your area. Number 2. Our second best pick is Uniden Bearcat BC75XLT handheld scanner. Featuring the ability to connect to public safety, military aircraft, and racing scanner channels, this is a terrific choice for analog scanner fans. The built-in search functionality is second to none, and it quickly identifies channels for police, fire, marine, air, weather, and more, which makes it a very much pick-up-and-go analog scanner. You can save 300 channels into the scanner's memory or 30 channels total in 10 separate banks. This makes it easy to scan for current transmissions on each stored channel. Additionally, the inclusion of close call RF capture technology assists it in identifying and detecting nearby transmissions, even if they aren't pre-programmed into a channel. Powered by 2 AA batteries, this is both lightweight and designed to fit in the hand. Overall, it has good reception as long as you're in a strong signal area. Number 3. Our third best pick is Uniden BCD996P2 Digital Mobile TrunkTracker V Scanner. There aren't that many brands in the police scanner game, as you can probably tell with a quick skim of this very list, but Uniden is a major player in the world of scanners. Meant as a one-stop shop for analog scanning and digital transmissions, it is one of the better scanners out there. Whatever your needs, it most likely has you covered, even if it does so in a fairly large package. It is capable of location-based scanning, and it can detect nearby radio transmissions. The TrunkTracker V scanner also offers continuous band coverage spanning 25 MHz to 1.3 GHz, factor in 25,000 different dynamically allocated channels, and you'll have enough options to cover all your local systems, recalled via the intuitive internal memory of the unit. It all comes in a compact 11 by 3.75 by 8.5 inch unit with a bright display and easy-to-navigate controls. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Uniden HomePatrol 2-color touchscreen simple program digital scanner. With an easy-to-rest stand, this digital scanner with a pre-programmed database is a highly functional scanner that's perfect for any room in the house. Including specialized features such as quick record and playback, the Uniden is a highly recommended digital scanner that can be up and running in minutes. There's no programming needed here, just enter your zip code and it will load all the recognized police, fire, and EMS channels in the surrounding area. It includes channel information for the US and Canada from radio reference. Weighing just over a pound, it is easy to tote around. Additionally, the inclusion of a touch screen was an industry first with this one. Uniden also includes rechargeable batteries that last between 5 to 6 hours. It comes with a USB charging cord that you can connect to a standard USB power brick. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Uniden BCD536HP HomePatrol Series Digital Scanner. It offers some of the easiest to program features available on a scanner. You just type in your zip code and the scanner does the work for you. There's even a Wi-Fi option that allows you to use the exclusive Uniden Siren app on your smartphone or tablet to access the scanner from anywhere in the home or vehicle. The LCD backlit keypad helps illuminate the unit so you can see it in the dark and quickly access the controls. Included within the packaging are home and auto power cords, as well as a mounting bracket for inside the vehicle and a Wi-Fi dongle and telescoping antenna. There's no battery power to worry about since this Uniden scanner runs entirely off the car battery or a power adapter. Additionally, it was one of the first Uniden scanners to incorporate the HomePatrol data, which allows the easy entering of a zip code and you're ready to listen in. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.